My heart aches every time I think about this because most of you women do not even understand the injustice you face when it comes to your menstrual health. For a very, very long time, there's been this dangerous misconception that Black women have very high pain tolerance, and hence the likelihood of Black women suffering from conditions like endometriosis is very low. Because of that, they refuse to diagnose you, and this is why preparation matters. These are a few things I have put together for you to make sure that you are ready and prepared before your next doctor's appointment. So, one, make sure you track your symptoms. See, write every single thing you experience down every single month. Mention your pain severity, track the pain severity. There is a scale from 1 to 10. Indicate the level of pain on every single time you feel the pain. Indicate how long the pain lasts. Do you have any bleeding? Make sure you indicate that too. If you experience nausea, if you experience fatigue, bowel symptoms, if you experience pain during sex, make sure you track that too. If you miss work, if you miss school, if you miss anything in your life because of this pain, make sure you write them down and track it. The second thing I would want you to know is do not downplay your pain. I know for a very long time you've been told that your pain is normal. So sometimes when you enter, you feel like, saying, maybe it's normal cramps. No, don't ever downplay your pain. We are fond of doing that as Black women. Let them know how severe the pain is. Instead of saying, my cramps hurt sometimes, say, my symptoms or the symptoms are affecting the quality of my life. This is not exaggeration. This is your reality. That language changes how your pain is documented medically. Ask direct questions. Ask questions like, could this be endometriosis or adenomyosis? What investigations are available? Can I be referred to a specialist? Because most times these guys also don't know what they are doing. They were not trained, so most of them are not really experts in this particular area. We do not deserve as Black women to be living on survival mode. At all costs, advocate for yourself because you deserve better. This is the PO3 podcast. Here we talk about all things menstrual health because you deserve to be believed, you deserve early diagnosis, and you deserve the best treatment that will enhance the quality of your life.